Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create this 5-step infographics in just PowerPoint. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's get started. As you can see here, I have used these 4 color sample over here, so I will be use this color sample in next slide. So what I'm going to do, I will just click on insert option. Here you will find new slide option, just click on that and choose a blank slide over here. So now what you have to do, you just have to click on shape option. If you don't get the shape option, then please make sure that you have clicked on insert option. After clicking on that option, you just have to click on shape option over here, and here you will find a isosceles triangle option. Just click on that and drag an isosceles triangle, but before dragging it, just press Ctrl and Shift together so that you can drag a regular isosceles triangle like this. Okay, now put it over here. Here you will find the shape outline option, make it no outline. Just right click over this triangle and click on edit point option over here. Sorry, right click over here and click on edit point option. Just click on here, you will find 3 black dot over here. So now you have to click on the topmost black dot, and as you click on this dot, you will find 2 adjustment handle over here, as you can see. So you have to adjust these 2 handles to get a effect like the previous slide I have show you, effect like this. Okay, so right click over here, just click on edit point, just click on the topmost handle over here and drag this left handle something here and right handle something here like this. Now do the same with this left bottom dot. Just drag this over here and drag this handle over here. Now do the same with this. Just click on this dot and drag this something here. Drag this here, and now drag this over here like this. Drag this over here. Now click on this dot and drag it over here, and the shape is ready now. So now what you have to do, you just have to click on insert option, just click on shape option and choose an oval option over here. Please click Ctrl and Shift together and drag it over here to make it bigger like this. Now make it no outline, and let me change the shape fill to this one. Right click over here and send it to back. Now rest with this particular shape, so I'm going to adjust it like this. You have to put it over here. Okay, now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this one. Just rotate it as per your choice and put it over here. Again press Ctrl D and put this over here. Make sure that it should look perfect. The alignment and the placement of the shape should be better, should be proper. Again press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, one more duplicate copy over here. Just rotate it like this and put it over here. Press Ctrl D and put this over here, rotate it like this. Make some adjustment. I group all these elements to make it smaller. Press Ctrl and Shift and drag it inward to make it smaller like this. Okay, now drag this over here, right click and make ungroup it. Okay, so now arrange this shape so that it can be placed properly like this. Okay, now we're done with the placement. So now what I'm going to do, I will click on previous slide and copy this color sample from here and paste it over here. Okay, now I'm filling this shape with a different color. Okay, so click on this shape and click on format option and choose shape fill option. Here you will find eyedropper option, just click on that, and I'm going to use this color for this shape. Now for this I'm going to use this pink color, and for this I'm going to use the same color. For this I'm going to use this orange color, and for this I'm going to use this color. To do this, just click on shape, fill, and choose eyedropper and put the eyedropper over here so that it can fetch the color of this area. Okay, now for this centered circle I'm going to make it slightly bigger, so I'm going to press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward like this. Okay, so for circle what I'm going to use, I'm going to use this color. Okay, so for this I'm going to click on format option. Here you will find shape fill option, just click on that and choose eyedropper over here and put the eyedropper over here. Sorry, select this shape and fill it with this color. Okay, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on insert option. We will provide this effect. Okay, this dotted outline effect over here around the circle. So to do this I'm going to use arc option over here. Here you will find arc option, just click on that and press Ctrl Shift together and drag it over here to make it arc like this. I'm going to drag this yellow dot here to make it semi arc, like and half arc like this. Okay, and now what you have to do, you just have to click on shape outline option over here, and here you will find the weight option. Just choose a proper weight as per your requirement. So I'm going to use this particular weight 6pt here. So I'm going to click on this weight and again click on outline option, and here you will find the dash option over here. Just click on that and choose a dash option, like I'm going to use this dash option over here. Now right click over here, click on format shape option, and here you will find line option. Just click on that and drag it downward. Here you will find a dash type option over here. Just click on that. Sorry, not dash type, just cap type option over here. Just click on cap type option and choose a round option over here. As you can see, the edges of this arc or the segment of this arc will be rounded after clicking on this option. Means the cap type should be round and the join type should be round also. So now I'm slightly going to increase the width, like I'm going to do it something like this. Okay, so now press Ctrl and Shift together and drag this outward to make it bigger like this. Okay, again I'm going to drag it outward to make it something more bigger like this, and pressing Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this one. And for this I'm going to use something, not the rounded option, but for this I'm going to use some dash type. Sorry, here is dash type, so I'm going to use the normal dash type over here and put this something like this. Okay, so now for this I'm going to use what color? So I'm just going to click on shape format option. Here you will find shape fill option over here. Sorry, outline. You just have to click on shape outline, and here you will find these options, the color options. So you have to select this color over here. Now right click over here and send it to back like this and adjust it so that I'm going to delete it and going to make a duplicate copy of this one by pressing Ctrl and D. Now I will drag this yellow dot over here. I want a small part over here, so that I'm going to drag it over here. And now I'm going to change the dash type to a regular type like this, and rotating it something like this, and putting it over here like this. Okay, now right click over here and send it to back. Again pressing Ctrl and D, and I'm going to rotate it like this and putting it something drag it outward to make it bigger like this, and put it over here and drag it over here. Okay, now again make a duplicate copy of this one, drag it something here, and put this over here. And for now I'm placing it over here like this. Okay, so finally what we have to do, we just have to click on insert option over here, and here you will have to choose a oval shape option. Just drag a circle like this and make it no outline by clicking on this option. And for the shape fill, I'm going to use this pink color over here and put this shape over here like this. Press Ctrl D, press Ctrl and Shift together, make it small by dragging it inward, and put this over here and change the shape fill to this one. Place it over here, something over here like this. Again press Ctrl D, make another duplicate copy of this oval shape and put it over here like this. Press Ctrl Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller. And for the shape fill, what I'm going to use, I will use this color over here. Okay, so this is the shape ready. Now what we have to do, we just have to use this text over here. So I'm going to copy this text and paste it over here like this. Now put this text over here, again pressing Ctrl D, put this text over here. Again I'm going to press Ctrl D, put this shape on here. Slightly you can make changes in your shape to make an adjustment to set the text over here. Make Ctrl D, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here. And here is an extra copy of the text, so I'm going to put it over here, slightly increase the size of the shape. So for the text part, what I'm using in this PPT, let me show you. I'm using Calibri body and the size is 10, and for the heading part I'm using square 720 BT and the size is 20, and for the title 01 or the step title I'm using Nuanced 777 BK and the size is 44. So let me change the step to 02, and this is 03, this will 4, and this will 5. So finally what you have to do, you just have to choose a gradient background for this. Look guys, here I was using this background color, means the white and something light gray, and this slide automatically fetch the color which I have used in the previous slide guys. So if you don't get these colors, there is no need to worry. I will show you. You can choose a color for this handle. So click on this handle and choose a different color like this from the color sample, and for this you can choose some different color like this. So you can choose the background color very easily. The gradient color you can set very easily, so there is no need to get worried about that guys. So this is the tutorial I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to show you guys how to create a 5-step beautiful infographics, step infographics actually in just PowerPoint in very less time. So if you feel that the video is useful for you and you can use it in your project to make your presentation better than before, then please hit a subscribe, hit a like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.